What's up, everybody, and welcome back to T and Sharinda's TV. I'm T.
I'm Sharinda. And welcome back to our channel. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Alright? What's up, everybody? Welcome to T and Sharinda's TV. I'm Sharinda. And welcome back to another. Yes. So, T will not be joining with me. She is super tired. Plus, I gave her a nerve pill, and her nerves were kind of bad today. So, but anyways, I want y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That way, y'all will be notified when we upload a new video. All right. Make sure you hit that bell till it turns gray. All right. Show some love. Show some support. You know, comment. Leave a comment. That let me know that y'all are here. All right. So, but anyways, I'm gonna pray over my food. Then I'm gonna let y'all know what I'm having. All right. Amen. 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 I got some Hawaiian punch. It's just like Hawaiian punch is Kool-Aid. Ooh, good and cold. But anyways, I'm having some collard greens, ham hock. Baby did the greens. I had barbecue. I had barbecue some chicken leg and some hamburger patty with some barbecue sauce on it. So, well, anyways, how y'all been? I know I've been super busy, having fun with the family. Of course, I'm still in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I want y'all to thank y'all for showing a lot of love and support. I have uploaded a baby shower video. If y'all have not seen that, go check it out. It's been a while since I did a mukbang. We're kind of backed up on videos right now, but we're trying to get the video rolling out to y'all. All right, y'all just be patient with us, okay? And y'all like my little plate? I got these plates at the baby shower. I stole these at the baby shower. But anyway, my cousin said I could have them, you know, cause I think they look nice. They cute. I like them. It calls going to hit on point. I just can't eat everybody green. People can't cook greens, you know. One greens I will eat is my auntie greens and auntie boo greens and T Willie. So look at them greens, yeah. But anyway, how y'all been? But I've just been chilling out with the family. We went out to eat. We went shopping. Be leaving in the next couple of days. But y'all gonna be seeing more of my family on this channel. Ooh, I think I hit a long pipe, y'all. But anyway, I think I made that kind of a little spicy. I put a little spice to my chicken, but the chicken good. But anyways, Y'all gonna be seeing more of my family on this channel. So y'all make sure y'all tune in. I don't want to do the bread, but I am still doing my low carb diet, and plus I'm doing the detox tea and stuff. So if y'all looking for to detox y'all body, I have a tea that basically it get all that waste off of you and everything. And the link will be below the description. But we had fun. But it took a while. Like my auntie was saying, I would have probably got here in like 3 hours if I flew. I can't do the airplane. But I did say I was gonna get on there one day. So I know my anxiety bad to be getting on the airplane. Okay. But yeah, I got to spend time with my niece. There would be a picture somewhere on the screen, and I've been chilling with my sister. Me and my little sister just been hanging out, catching up. So I'm just trying to spend my time with a lot of people that have been showing me love and kicking with me, chilling with me. I gotta get to my auntie Boo. She had been kicking it and chilling with me and my fiance T. Pookie. And also my cousins, them. But this is good. But yeah, T, she been having fun. She got to see my people. And they love her. You know. Think about coming for Memorial Day. So, but we having a ball up here. I'll tell you one thing about Milwaukee. They need to have some. The city need to do about something about their streets and oh man, it's trash everywhere up here. T said it's like California, but I mean, it's trash everywhere. But when you go on the clean side, it be so clean. But when you're in the hood, like on the hood side, it's trash everywhere. Got some ham hock. Oh yeah. Y'all make sure you have some. Got plenty more for y'all. And also, big shout out to my cousin Peanut. She gonna be having a baby boy on May. She is due May the 15th. So But yeah, she said she ready to have it and get it over with. But I just want to get on here and come on here and show y'all my face. You know, let y'all know I am alive. I have been posting up videos, and more like vlog videos of the family. So there will be some more mukbang videos. Just try to give y'all a little day, every day in our life, like vlog video. Got some barbecue chicken. I was on the grill today. I wanted some barbecue chicken and some hamburger patties. But yeah, like I said, I'm still in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. There's a lot of stuff to do up here. I mean, a lot. Still gotta be extra careful because of the COVID. So but I'm tell you, I'm having the ball up here, y'all. But the Greyhound bus take like 19, 20 hours to get here. Because, you know, they got to make all them stops and stuff. So, wow, it's all right. Y'all come and let me know what state y'all in. If y'all see me in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, say hi. I think they said Beloved is from Milwaukee up here too. I don't know if she stay up here, but I think she is from up here. I know a lot of people say sometimes they'll see her in public restaurants and stuff. It's a place called, it's a crab place that my family had took me to. Had took us to or whatever. The seafood was pretty good. It was pretty good. Everything good. I love my greens. Got to have them greens. I tell you, T Diddy going. But I don't want to make the video too long. Okay. Ooh, I was thirsty. But anyway, whew, I am full, y'all. But anyway, if there's a video y'all want to see, I know we got a lot of videos to do. If there's a specific video y'all want us to do, let us know in the comments, and we will try to do it. But I'm about to go ahead and tune out. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. All right? Peace.